3.7 seconds. That's how quickly the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S680 will rocket from 0 to 60, despite weighing as much as a small yacht. But straight-line speed isn't what makes this rolling palace special. It's what happens when you close the power-operated doors and sink into the plush rear thrones that matters. Welcome to automotive nirvana. The Maybach isn't just a stretched S-Class, it's a statement that you've arrived without needing to shout about it. While Rolls-Royce and Bentley owners might enjoy the attention their cars command, Maybach clients prefer their luxury served with a side of subtlety. Powering this leather-lined sanctuary is a twin-turbocharged 6-liter V12 producing 621 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. This mechanical masterpiece delivers power with such refinement that you might forget there's an engine at all. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts with imperceptible smoothness, maintaining the cabin's library-like silence. And silent it truly is. At highway speeds, it only gets 64 decibels inside the cabin. For reference, that's quieter than most whispered conversations. This exceptional sound isolation comes courtesy of active noise cancellation and meticulous engineering. The interior is where the Maybach's $250,000 starting price begins to make sense. The 7-inch wheelbase stretch over a standard S-Class creates a rear cabin that rivals private jets. Nearly every surface is wrapped in supple Nappa leather, accented by piano lacquer trim and handcrafted metal details. Opt for the Executive Rear Seat Plus package, and the back transforms into a mobile office or lounge, complete with folding tables, reconfigured seating, and power everything. Add the rear refrigerator and Maybach champagne flutes, and you're prepared to toast success wherever you travel. Technology abounds throughout the cabin. A 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen commands the latest MBUX infotainment system, while a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster provides crucial information to the driver. Passengers aren't forgotten, with dual 11.6-inch rear entertainment screens and a 30-speaker Burmester sound system that delivers concert hall acoustics. Despite focusing on passenger comfort, the Maybach handles with remarkable composure. Air suspension smothers road imperfections before they disturb occupants, while rear-wheel steering helps this land yacht navigate tight urban environments with surprising agility. The Maybach S680 isn't without small shortcomings. Fuel economy is predictably thirsty at 12 miles per gallon city and 21 highway. The trunk space is limited for a vehicle of this size. And for some ultra-wealthy buyers, the relatively understated styling might not deliver enough curb appeal. For 2025, Mercedes offers the limited edition S680 Nordic Glow, inspired by the Northern Lights. With special two-tone paint and unique interior finishes, it pushes the price tag to a staggering $340,000, placing it squarely in Rolls-Royce territory. Is the Maybach worth its eye-watering price? For those who appreciate engineering excellence and prefer their luxury whispered rather than shouted, absolutely. This isn't just transportation. It's an experience that makes the journey as rewarding as the destination. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S680 represents the pinnacle of automotive luxury for those who know that true opulence doesn't need to announce itself. It floats down the road like a cloud, isolating occupants from the harsh realities of the world outside while coddling them in supreme comfort. In a world of luxury pretenders, the Maybach S680 is the real deal. It doesn't just take you places, it elevates you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.